Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at an essential accessory for anyone relying on their Dymo LabelManager 260P or 360D desktop label printer, a dedicated AC adapter power charger. This particular unit, from brand LabelManager aims to be a reliable replacement or a much-needed spare for your labeling needs. Right off the bat, one of the most practical features is its universal input voltage. This adapter accepts AC 100V 240V at 5060 Hz, meaning it's ready for use almost anywhere in the world without needing a voltage converter. For those who travel or simply want a versatile power solution, this is a significant plus. No more worrying about different power standards when you need to print labels on the go or in a different location. The wire length is another thoughtful detail. Coming in at a generous 6 feet, it offers ample reach, allowing for flexible placement of your Dymo LabelManager. You won't be tethered right next to an outlet, which is incredibly convenient for various desk setups or workshop environments. It provides that extra bit of freedom that often gets overlooked, but makes a big difference in daily use. Now, let's talk about what truly matters with any power supply: safety. This adapter boasts a suite of crucial safety features designed to protect both the adapter itself and, more importantly, your valuable Dymo label printer. It includes overvoltage protection, ensuring that your device isn't damaged by power surges or inconsistent voltage. There's also overheat protection, which prevents the adapter from overheating during prolonged use, a common concern with power bricks. And finally, overcurrent protection safeguards against excessive current flow, which could otherwise harm your printer's internal components. These protections offer significant peace of mind, knowing your equipment is safe from common electrical mishaps. While brand LabelManager might not be a household name, the commitment to customer satisfaction is evident in their warranty policy. They offer a 30-day hassle-free return, which is great for trying out the product without risk. Furthermore, a 12-month replacement exchange provides a full year of coverage, demonstrating confidence in the adapter's durability and performance. This kind of support is always reassuring, especially for an accessory that's vital to your workflow. In conclusion, for Dymo LabelManager 260P and 360D owners, this AC adapter presents itself as a robust and secure power solution. Its global compatibility, practical wire length, and comprehensive safety features make it a strong contender for anyone needing a reliable power source. The added benefit of a solid warranty only sweetens the deal, making it a worry-free choice for keeping your label printer powered up and ready to go.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.